Hey guys, so what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I want to talk about my single Radeon 7 profits for the month of May. And as you guys know, I have been keeping track of this single Radeon 7 since April 1st of 2019. So it's been a good year or so, a year and a couple months now, of keeping track of this card, and of course I'm trying to see how long it'll take me to essentially break even, or ROI, whatever definition you guys want to use, for basically trying to, get my initial investment back, my initial cost of buying the card. And also I've been keeping track of the electrical cost as well. Okay, so this is something that is interesting for me, and I want to keep track of this. So throughout this video, I'm going to talk about how much coins I've mined, and I guess this month of May I was mining Ethereum Classic, right? And I'm going to talk about some theoretical stuff later on, and showing you guys how much I could have made if I just sold everything by month. And of course, then I'll talk about the next coin that I will potentially mine for the month of June, okay? All right, so let's begin. May 1st to May 31st, I have mined Ethereum Classic, and I have mined 5.2018 Ethereum Classic total. And the price of Ethereum Classic right now is $7.25 as of making this video. Next column, coin total. So the amount of Ethereum Classic that I've mined total in my whole Radeon 7 journey of keeping the profits is 54.1474. Now we're going to go to the next column called coin mined worth. So in this column here, we have mined $37.71 worth. That is just, going 7.25 times 5.2. Next, the hash rate of my GPU here is 90.1, and I can verify with you guys here that I guess I was getting 90.1, but now it's getting 90. I think it's because I'm connected by TeamViewer at the moment. It looks like it's taking a little bit of resources. But yeah, 90.1 mega hash. At the wall, we're getting about 280 watts, okay? And then the wattage consumption. This is probably something that you guys have been wondering about. I have a calculation on my Google Doc here, and I'll have this link down below. You guys can access and see my Radeon 7 profitability and all the profits and the stuff that I've mined by every month so far. And yeah, you can see my power consumption calculation. I won't go through it. I've done it in the past, but you guys can see my power calculation here for my cost per kilowatt currently. Now, all right, so $17.36 for the month of May. Now going along, the next column is going to be profits. Okay, so this is going to be the total number here, $37.71 minus my the electrical cost. Okay, so it's going to be $20.35. So I have profited $20. That's pretty good. And finally, the last column here is original price plus electrical used. All right, so total now, since mining of April 1st of 2019 up until now at the end of May, we have garnered in the red, in the negative, including the cost of the GPU, which was $781.26 USD. I bought it on March 23rd of 2019. And all the electrical power consumption that I have accrued since then, all right, total together is $997.26 in the red. Okay, now I want to talk about the total coins that I've mined since April 1st for this single Radeon 7. And as you guys know, I've been keeping track every month, and you guys can see which coins I've mined. I've mined Ethereum Classic, CLO, Callisto, I've mined XMR, I've mined Vertcoin, and I've mined on NiceHash. All right, there's 1 month that I did NiceHash, and I didn't really like it. But yeah, anyways, let's go to the total coins mined here. So I have 0.18 Ethereum. Actually, I can just open up this picture right here. So I took a screenshot of the wallet of the funds that I have currently on my Konomi wallet. I'm basically mining all of my coins on my single Radeon 7 to a singular Konomi wallet on an old phone. And you can see here I have Callisto, about 87 cents worth. Ethereum Classic, I have $392 worth. That's pretty good. So 54 ETC. Next, we have Monero at $54. And so I have about 0.8 XMR total. Next up, Bitcoin, but that's on NiceHash currently. I haven't taken it off of NiceHash yet, like withdrawn it to this wallet. I will do that soon. Next is Vertcoin. I have $18 of Vertcoin, which is almost 60 Vertcoins. And then finally, I have Ethereum, which is at $44 currently at 0.18 Ethereum right now. Okay, so yeah, you guys can take a look at that. And now let's take a look at the total value. All right, the total value, I've been keeping track at the end of every month here, but you can see at the end of May, we have acquired, all right, so there's $28.63 of Bitcoin on NiceHash plus Coinomi, okay, plus the Coinomi wallet is about $510.59. So plus all that together, just to verify, 510.59. Yep. Add that together, we have a total value of all the coins since April 1st of 2019, $539.22. So this is a total of all the coins that I've mined for about a year and a month now. Okay, so about a year and a month. That's actually not too bad. Not too bad. I'm about actually if we go 539, so $540 currently. If you minus that, minus the total that I have, I am in the negative now, 997. So we're about little bit more than halfway as of making this video. But I want to show you guys, now let's talk about some, theoretical kind of stuff here. So previous months, all right, you guys can see the total value of my wallets here. And obviously this is due to the cryptocurrency market being so volatile, changing all the time. But you can see the end of January, actually, my whole wallet worth of all my coins. And obviously I had less coins then, all right, so I would say 4 or 5 months ago, I had less coins back in January, obviously. So it was actually worth $546.30. So in hindsight, maybe I should have just sold back then. That's because Ethereum Classic went up to $12 back in that time, and it was just crazy. Almost $12 in January. The end of January, I guess. Yeah, $12. No, yeah, right at the end of January was $11.99 USD. I made this Radeon 7 video at the end of that time. And yeah, Ethereum Classic, which I actually have been mining for the most part of my Radeon 7, single Radeon 7 profitability here. As you guys can see, 54 Ethereum Classic so far total. So yeah, that's actually not too bad, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to hold on to it. I actually did do a little trade into Bitcoin, and then I bought back into Ethereum as it went down quite substantially after. All right. So yeah, I made a little bit more profit there, but in terms of the total value, it's still not up to where it was in January. Plus, I have a lot more coins now. But that is what I am waiting for, the next blow off top, the next hype, the next run up in cryptocurrency market. It's so volatile, so we're hopefully going to see some altcoin action real soon. I'm thinking it is actually going to come real soon for Ethereum Classic and some other coins as well. And as you guys know, the cryptocurrency market has gone up quite decently in the past couple of weeks, past couple of months actually. And yeah, Ethereum's making a nice run, and all the other altcoins are as well. And of course, Bitcoin. So now I just want to show you guys some theoretical things here. All right. So let's say if I sold at the end of every month, would that be better than hodling all the coins that I have been hodling right now? Okay, so this is something some people may be wondering. And actually, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna tally up all of the profits that I've acquired here at the end of every month. Okay, so this is a good little test here to see how much I could have made if I sold at the end of every month. Okay, so you can see here total right now, if I sold at the end of every month, is $473.36. So looking at this now, I have $539.22 total. But if I were to sell it every month, it's $473. So for those people that are mining every month and have to sell at the end of every month, I think my single Radeon 7 example here is a good example that hodling can be worth it. Obviously, there's a lot of different factors such as, which coin you're mining and the prices of the coins and the volatility that changes all the time. But for me in this test, I was mining basically the most profitable coin, I think Ethereum Classic for the Radeon 7. As you guys can see here, I did a little bit of Ethereum as well. I think the most unprofitable times were probably Vertcoin, the Nice Hash, and maybe the XMR times as well. Maybe not too bad, actually. The CLO, I shouldn't have mined for sure. I definitely, yeah, the value of my CLO right now is just worth nothing right now, 87 cents. So that was a bad call. But I've been sticking with Ethereum Classic because I believe, in the future that it could have a bunch of nice price action, because it's a generally, more volume type of coin, and more exchanges support this coin. And yeah, that's just what I'm thinking. And fundamentals and stuff, of course, Ethereum Classic seems to be a nice coin as well. Well, that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to show you for my single Radeon 7. That's the profits that I gained for this month of May. And now I'm just going to continue to keep on mining Ethereum Classic, as I believe that this is going to be the coin for me in order to break even the fastest. You guys can see here, hodl in all the coins I like until enough to hit break even, or when I feel it is a good time to sell to make some profits. Pray for altcoin season. All right, so I am praying for altcoin season, and yeah, okay. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think down below in the comments section, and hit the like button, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.